Hi, I'm Nandana Kalubovila. I'm 41 years old and I'm working in Kuwait Deloitte audit firm. I'm almost 15 years there. I'm working as a senior manager in audit division. So I have recently worked out various number of clients, including especially banks audits and the financial service sector. So during my 50 years lifetime in here as a chartered accountant, so I have gained a variety of experience in different cultures and different dealing with different people. And I have completed my CA in 2008 and got some higher marks in especially accounting and overall second in intermediate level examinations. In 2 years back, I completed PMA MBA program with a merit pass. So this was some of my academic achievements. Before joining with cinema, I have a small business in Sri Lanka in the garment sector with one of my friend. So he's the mainly in Sri Lanka. He's dealing the main business thing. So I was supporting with him to make a better business. And also I almost more than around 3 years I was dealing with local in Sri Lanka stock market and also some foreign stock markets in investments. So before joining with the cinema, I had actually no return. It was almost everything was lost if we take in the overall results. So joining with cinema, especially in the investment side, it gave me a different thinking pattern, how I has to work, especially looking at the financials and how to evaluate the companies and what's the best decision you have to take and what is the way of dealing and long-term prospectus, what we have to do. And also in the with the joining of the cinema dark, it has given a different mindset change in my career. So earlier I was not much thought about the sales is more important. So I was as a chartered accountant, I was mostly dealing with the numbers. So for me it was the numbers was more important things. So but I understood that sales is more important and we have to it's a different mindset and a different thing what we have to deal and what I was doing. So there was a significant gap. So I'm studying and I'm trying to different that gap what I had and shift my mindset to develop my business with my partners and then my team in Sri Lanka. And this has been a grateful opportunity for me given by the cinema to become financial independence. So I hope that is a great chance that I got, and I would like to capitalize that chance and become a financial independent person. Thank you, cinema.